I'm Aftab Ahmed from Karachi, Pakistan. Okay, welcome. Welcome, Aftab. Welcome. Anim, abeg, what happened? I don't understand. What happened to where? What happened now? Where? Are you from Nigeria? Yes, I'm from Nigeria. How is Guyana treating you? How is Guyana treating you? Eh? You say you are from Guyana. How is Guyana? Hope Guyana is okay. What you making? Now I want to fix lash. That's all. But we don't have any we don't have any this thing we're talking in particular. So if you have any topic you want us to discuss, drop it down. I will acknowledge your message and we'll discuss about it. But be nice and be respectful. Okay? Because we only want good energy on this stream. We don't want bad energy. Lot of rain. No, it didn't rain today. It rained yesterday. Rain fell yesterday, but today, no. You know, we are in rainy season, Mark. We are in rainy season. What happened? They confused. I don't understand the animal fan. You are here and you say you dey confused. Why are you confused? You need to visit here. I need to visit here. Okay. So if I visit your country, what should I come and do there? Mark. Eh? What should I come and do there in your country? Wayne, how is Jamaican? How is Jamaican? Okay, Wayne is not here again. Oh my God, what was this? No. Mark, okay, that's good. When you come here, work start a busy. When I come here, work start a busy. Mark, I don't kind of understand you. What you're trying to say? I do not understand you. I do not understand you. I'm sorry. I never say I'm Jamaican. Okay, Mark. I never say I'm Jamaican. I never say I'm Jamaican. I never even say I'm Jamaican. I don't know why he's saying that. Ray, what are you saying? I like the pink gloss. I need to fix this light before it dry. I need to adjust it. Wait. I need to adjust this. You love it. Wow, that was good. I want that pink gloss. Thank you. Yes, I am. You want to do makeup business together? Like how?